close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all a-okay. Today I'm going to be doing my final winter autumn look. Just by that I mean a dark layer. I think I've done one this season so far, and this will be my second and my final. I don't like dark lips that well, they don't suit me as much as a nude does. But I'm going to do like a bronzy gold smoky and then a dark purpley lip. I did like a bronzy golden smoky eye yesterday. I got so much like positive feedback from you guys saying that you really liked it, so I thought I'd do another one. Obviously with different products and hopefully with like a different outcome, and then pair it with like a purple lip. But you guys would have already known what it looks like from the thumbnail and the intro and all that jazz. So if you guys are interested in getting that look, then please keep watching. So I'm first going to go in with the Too Faced Hangover 3-in-1 Replenishing Primer and Setting Spray just to spray my face. Then I will be taking the Tom Ford Illuminating Primer, and I'm just going to apply this to the skin with a brush. I really don't know how I feel about this primer. I feel like it's so expensive and like it's not incredible at all, and for the price that you're paying for it, like, no. I want to be like as illuminated as like Blackpool right now for what I'm paying for. I'm then going to take the Tarte Clean Slate Poreless Primer to fill my pores and fine lines. I've got into this weird habit of winking all the time, and I'll do it without like meaning to almost, and I'll just go like that. So if I do it in this video or any more videos, I'm really sorry. I think it's like a work thing. I keep winking at people. Not in like a sexual way or anything, just like I've been doing it to my brother, I've been doing it to Tom, like it's weird. For brows, as always, I will skim through this and leave my tutorial on the down bar down below. My updated routine should be up very soon, once I filmed it. So I'm going to do my skin first because the eyes are going to be hopefully relatively easy. I'm going to mix two foundations. I'm going to mix the Nip and Fab foundation in the shade 40 and the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow in the shade 205 Natural Beige. And I'm just going to use the Morphe Flawless Beauty Sponge, is that the name? Pretty sure that's the name. Just to dab this in. You guys, there is not one cloud in the sky right now. I mean, the sky is not even this nice when it's summer. January and February are always my favourite time of the year to film, because it's always just so like bright and clear, but it's not like the sun directly at me, so it's not orange. To cream contouring bronze, whatever you want to call it, I'm going to go in with the Smashbox Step by Step Contour Stick in the shade Bronze. It comes in a 3-pack. I cannot for the life of me remember if it comes as individuals now. I think they did that, but I don't know off the top of my head. Ouch, that hurts. But I prefer the bronze shade to the contour shade, like way more. And then with a small brush, I'm just going to buff out that underlip and nose. And then with my Real Techniques contour brush, just to do the sides. Then I'm going to go in with the Smashbox. There's a lot of Smashbox. You have to do 2 items, it's not that, but hey. The Smashbox Studio Skin 24-Hour Waterproof Concealer in the shade Fair Light, just to help brighten the face up. Then with the Morphe sponge, just to dabble with this out again. I go in with my MAC Mineralized Loose Foundation in Extra Light, just to set all those places. I want to say a massive thank you to America for not buying this powder and therefore making MAC discontinue it. I appreciate it. Appreciate it a lot. I'm so mad, you guys have no idea. I'm going to move on to my eyes and come back to my skin after. Maybe it should be central. There we go. I'm going to take the MAC Pro Longwear Waterproof Brow Set in Red Chestnut just because I had my hair down today. And my hair still has quite warm tones in there still. And I like Red Chestnut because it lightens up the brow. Right, so the shadows I'm using are actually from... Oh, let me just bring them over. Actually from Colourpop. I got 2 shades for Christmas that I want to play with from my really good friend Sarah. And then I thought if I'm going to play with those, I may as well just use a lot of other Colourpop shadows because I haven't used Colourpop shadows on my channel for a very, very long time. So I'm first going to take the shade Flutes. It's kind of just like a light warmish brown. Oh, have you dried up, sir? I think the majority of these have dried up because I haven't used them in so long. Yeah, these are dried up. I might just go in with my NYX palette to be fair because I do love this palette. I'm going to take the orangey shade at the bottom and this is a Morphe M441 brush. And I'm just going to pop this in and around the crease area. You guys know the drill. And then I'm also going to smudge that on the lower lash. Then I'm going to take the brown and a Morphe M514 brush. All my Zoeva brushes are absolutely filthy, so I'm having to use Morphe ones, if you guys were wondering. I'm then going to go in with the Colourpop shade in the shade Drift. The Colourpop shadow in the shade Drift, that's what I was meant to say. This is a Zoeva 227 Luxe Soft Definer brush. So I'm going to take the other shade, which I got, which was the shade Birthday Girl. I keep wanting to call it Birthday Suit, but it's not. And then with that 242, I'm just going to swipe this on the lid, mainly in the middle. But I'm going to take it on the sides as well. I have no idea what I'm doing. I have no idea. I really wanted this to be golden and it's not, but that's fine. Do have this pigment from Peach's Makeup. This is the shade Wow, and it's a loose eyeshadow. This is like proper gold, so this will hopefully golden this look up. Do you want to spray that 242? And I'm just going to coat this over the eye. So I don't know if I want to add like liquid liner or anything, but I'm going to do my lip so that I know what I want to do. This is a New Look lip liner in the shade... Do you have a shade, little buddy? Do you got a shade? Maybe 68? No idea. 68 seems to be the only thing that looks like a shade number or something. I don't know which one to choose. I might try the Ofra one because I don't think I've actually worn this. This is the Ofra Liquid Lip in New Orleans. This isn't really a liquid lipstick. This feels like those like the soft matte lip creams from NYX. This is my only problem with dark lips, is like the pigmentation just looks really bad. Like it's just not even, so I'm going to try and go over it with that BH Cosmetics one. This is in the shade Icon. I've used, wait no, I've used that before and it just didn't BRB. I might try Copenhagen from NYX. So I'm going to take the Tom Ford bronzer in the shade Bronze Age. This is a Weaver 101 Luxe Face Definer brush. Oh my god, I thought I wasn't filming. For blush, I'm going to take Gosh's blush in the shade Melon. I used to be obsessed with this. And I forgot about it. I just haven't reached for it. Well, that liner's fucked now, isn't it? It's dried. It's dried like an old lady's. Here we go, we've got a liner, we've got a liner. We'll go in with a NARS liner because it's the only one that wants to work. The liquid liners are my two faves, the NYX Matte Liquid Liner and the L'Oreal Super Liner Thin. Super Liner Perfectly Slim Liner. That's a mouthful. I'm going to go in and curl my lashes like mascara and falsies. I will more than likely be wearing Lily Lashes in Mykonos. If I change my mind, then I will let you know when I come back. So I stuck to my word. The lashes I went for were Lily Lashes in the style Mykonos. I'm going to quickly highlight my brow bone and inner corner with MAC's Vanilla Pigment. I'm going to go in with a cream highlight first, just because I feel very matte. I'm going to take the Marc Jacobs Glow Stick. Just on my damp sponge. There we go. I feel very matte and very pale. And I think it's the lip. Then to highlight, I'm going to take Becca's Moonstone. A very loved product by me. Then I'm just going to set... What the fuck? Did you guys see that? Oh my god, oh, it's in my mouth. Oh my god, that went in my mouth. That is not what she said. So I'm gonna spray my face with this somehow and hope for the best. Wait. Like, it's still spraying fine, so why did I get a wash of shit? I'm gonna dab it all in with the damp beauty blender. I don't care what it's called, I'm always gonna call it a damp beauty blender, I don't care what the brand is. Pop a fork in me, I am done. So then guys, this is my completed final autumn, winter-ish makeup tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed this. It doesn't mean that I won't be doing like dark lips or dark eyes anymore, I will. This is just kind of like the typical autumn winter makeup that people tend to gravitate toward, and this is my final look on it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, then please give this video a thumbs up. Let me know what else you guys want to see. I have got a lot of stuff planned, but as always, I am here for you. So whatever you guys want to see, I will do. I do have my collection coming very soon. I know I keep saying it, but it is coming soon. I just need to finalise a couple of things and then it will be done. Don't forget to comment, share and subscribe to my channel, and until next time, I will see you guys very, very soon. Bye!